Welcome back to TechieTape. In this video, we'll explore together how to create a portable Windows to Go, USB drive, external HDD, SSD. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Microsoft officially discontinued the native Windows to Go feature a while ago, but you can still easily create a fully functioning, portable version of Windows 10 or 11 on an external drive using Rufus. Note: do not use a cheap, generic USB drive. Standard thumb drives have terrible random write speeds. Windows will constantly freeze and feel unusable. For a smooth experience, use a fast USB 3.0 or 3.2 drive, a certified Windows to Go drive, or ideally, a portable external SSD. Prerequisites: a target USB drive or external HDD, SSD, minimum 32 GB. Note: everything on this drive will be wiped. The latest version of Rufus. A Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO file. Connect your drive and open Rufus. Plug your external drive into a fast USB port, preferably a blue USB or Type-C port. Launch Rufus. Under the device drop-down at the very top, ensure your external drive is selected. Select or download your Windows ISO. Click the Select button to locate a Windows ISO file on your computer. Note: if you don't have an ISO yet, click the small arrow next to Select. Change it to Download, click it, and follow the prompts to let Rufus grab it from Microsoft. Switch the image option to Windows to Go. This is the step that makes the drive portable. Click the Image option drop-down menu. Change it from standard Windows installation to Windows to Go. Configure partition and target systems. Set the partition scheme based on the computer you intend to boot from. GPT, UEFI. Select this for almost all modern computers built in the last decade. MBR, BIOS. Choose this only if you plan to boot this drive on older legacy systems. Customize your Windows installation. Click Start at the bottom. Customization window will pop up. Here, you can check boxes to create a local offline user account so you don't have to sign into a Microsoft account on boot, and other options. Then click OK. Confirm data wipe and flash. Rufus will warn you that all data on the target drive will be destroyed. Double check that it is pointing to your external drive, then click OK. The flashing process will begin. This can take anywhere from 10 minutes on a fast external SSD to an hour on a slower drive. How to boot into your portable Windows drive. Once Rufus finishes and says ready, your portable drive is good to go. To use it, shut down the computer you want to run it on. Insert your portable drive. Turn on the PC, and immediately start tapping your system's boot menu key. Common keys: F12, F11, F9, F8, or Escape. Select your external USB drive from the list. The very first time you boot from the drive, Windows will spend a few minutes setting up devices and installing generic drivers. After that, you'll have a fully portable workspace that saves your files and apps directly to the drive, no matter what computer you plug it into. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.